What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping back in. We had a lesson in a video earlier this morning. I want you guys to go back and watch that weekend assignment that we had, because today's video, I'm going to unveil the assignment. I'm going to complete it for you, show you what you should have seen. You tell me on your own time, did you see these things? Okay. And then, guys, I'm going to show you and teach you how to do put options for the month of September when you catch stocks at resistance this month. We don't just do them randomly. Again, everything that I do, everything that I teach is about, one, being surgical, two, showing and teaching you guys how to fish. I'm not going to always give you the answer. Every now and then I'll throw something out there just to make sure you guys have some success, but ultimately I want to teach you how to do this. So if I ever leave this planet, if I ever leave the great space of YouTube, you guys know how to do this for yourself. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. But before we do that, please make sure you like and subscribe and help this video get at least 2,000 likes. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, we pulled this 15-minute chart back out. This is today's assignment from earlier. Okay, I just wanted to show you, and I wanted you to see. I want you to begin to slow the game down and see the game with your eyes. Okay, number one, right here, we have a gap. So that's one thing you should have spotted, which is this gap fill area right there. Okay, so you should already be knowing and marking your calendar for at some point in time, we will come back to close this gap. Okay. All right. Number two thing you should have seen, begin to spot and identify. I'm going to show you this. I want to keep it clean the entire time. So I'm going to walk you through this. This was part of your assignment this morning. Okay. Number one, we had the gap. Okay. Number two, I wanted you to see that this gap was filled. Okay. And we're going to write gap fill right there. And look at this. Right when they write this candle right there is what filled it. We had a gap there. They brought the stock down, came up. Watch these patterns. Boom. Gap is filled there. Spot these things, guys. All right. I'm going to erase this because I want to keep it clean. I need to make sure you're learning these lessons because the money is in the charts. Okay. The money is in the charts. Number three, now you should see resistance somewhere along the way. This line equals resistance, okay? And that line happens to be the 200 EMA. All right, you want to know these things on all time frames so that you can begin to make plays off of this, okay? So number three is a 200-day, and that equals resistance. Okay. Number four, something you guys should have pointed out was support was right here. Okay, this line equals support down here. As you clearly see, we bounced off of that. We bounced off of this level, made it back up here. Okay, we made a bull flag, went up, got rejected at resistance, and came down. Look at this. But look at this level right here. A bounce happened there, and then you see, boom, we got hit at this support, a resistance, which is the 48 EMA. Okay, really quickly, guys, these are just a few things that I want you to see. We often talk about the fact that the money is in the charts. Okay, I don't care what chart I see. I can come into any day as long as I got time to do a quick search of the 5, the 15, the 30-minute, the 1 hour. If I can put eyes on the chart, there's not a day, there's not a stock that I can't make money with. Guys, each time frames tells a story. So it's important that you understand the story it is trying to tell. On the 15-minute chart, it is showing us we have resistance at the 200 EMA. Okay, you need to respect that. So anybody that's trying to hold, and sometimes I often say, don't overstay your welcome. And I'm saying that because you guys may be unaware if you're not using the chart to assist you. That's why we don't guess. We don't gamble around here. That's why our win rate is higher than anybody in the game. That's why our success rate is higher than anybody in the game, because my students, once they learn this, there's no stopping them, because they now understand, okay, see profit, take profit. It has a whole new meaning when I understand where stocks are going. This is called price action. It has a whole new meaning when you say don't overstay your welcome. Stock is not getting through resistance on today at least. And so if I'm day trading, I need to lock in profits, get in and get out, and call it a day. Okay, that was a quick lesson. Hopefully this homework, hopefully this daily teaching, hopefully these free videos are assisting you on your journey. Guys, it's thousands of videos I put out each year that helps you for free. Okay, yes, I want you to invest in yourself, and part of investing yourself is putting in the time, watching these videos, watching these lessons. Then if you need to go to the next level, you can join something that can get you more in depth. You can join something that connect with me one-on-one. Okay, but before you ever take that step, use the free information, use the free content, use the free videos to help advance your knowledge. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into how to do put options on a day. Okay guys, check it out. All right, today I'm going to be walking you through how to do and how to buy, more importantly, put options for the month of September. Check this out. This is historically one of the worst months of the stock market, and so therefore you need to know how to counteract that. Don't sit docile, don't throw in the towel because September is a down month. Learn to take advantage of it by learning how to buy puts. One caveat, guys, you don't need to own the stock in order to buy a put. Okay, so whether you own Apple or not, which is a stock we're going to use in today's example, you don't have to own it in order to do what I want to teach you. Now, really quickly, I want to first show you where the levels of resistance is at. Let's call these out. Number one, 945. What price do you see? 80, 180, 10. $180.10. Let's go here. 1135. What price do you see? $180.04. What price do you see here? $179.93. What price do you see here? $179.82. What price do you see here? $179.83. Guys, I'm trying to show you and teach you how to spot levels of resistance. So all day in this example, Apple, for example, had a tough time at that 180 level. Okay, it's a range. You see how you saw 179.80, 179.90-ish, 180. Okay, that's a little range. It's still 20-30 cents of each other. Okay, that's a range. Don't ever just get caught up pinpoint, oh, I only got to buy it at 180. I only can buy it at 179.90. No. That whole entire range is where you can buy a put. That is called buying at resistance. Okay, this is called price action trading. So what you would do, guys, okay, you would hit trade. Okay, and for this upcoming week, which is September 15th, we're choosing that expiration. We have buy put selected. Okay, check this out. Your boy is already locked, ready to go. But check this out at 177.5. Now, I'm a guy that base a lot of what I do off of the premium. Okay, I want premiums that move. Okay, I don't want to be sitting in my place for forever. I like to be in and out within 2 to 5 minutes, no longer than 15 minutes. I like to make my $2,000 or $3,000 and be gone and about my day. I've been seeing all day that Apple, for example, has resistance at 180. So I am either getting in at 177.5 because why? I like that premium. That's $2.04. Or the next one I would choose would be the 180 put. Why? Because that strike actually aligns with the resistance level of the stock. Okay, that one costs a little more. They're going to tax you a little bit when you know, or they know, your success and likelihood of winning is higher. Okay, so here we can get in here. You hit buy. Okay, you can do one contract. It'll cost you $204. Okay, if you wanted to do 5, that will put you around 1,000. So how much money are you guys working with? This determines your lot size. Okay, if you can get in at around 170, 180, okay, This allows you to get the right play based on the price action. Okay, you're not just buying any random time, you're not just buying any random price, you buying at resistance, because at resistance in the month of September, you're going to see a lot of rejection. Okay, so listen to this, write this down: 180, 182, 185, 189, 190. Those are 5 different levels of resistance. You can try this same exact teaching and make a killing. Okay, write that down, put it on a sticky note, put that in your back pocket. Okay, so 5 contracts will put you around $1,000. So listen to this: all you can lose is $1,000. If you know that's your limit, don't do more than 5 contracts. Okay, if you have a higher risk tolerance, you might can go 1,500 or 2,000. Okay, but you're risking this to potentially make a lot more, because at rejection 180, this will come back down to, guess what, 177, 175, 173. Okay, these are your targets to the downside. All right, don't be greedy, choose one of those targets, see profit, take profit. Okay, listen guys, I just wanted to go over a quick way to look at how to determine your strike price, as well as where you want to enter your buys at as it relates to price action. Okay, first, I carved out for you guys plainly as I could that resistance was at 180 for that juncture. Now when it get broken, resistance is going to turn into support, so you have to change and go as the stock move. Okay, but right now it is locked under 180, so unless you see it get above 180, you follow this to a T. And then when it gets above 180, you scratch this and it's time for a new game plan. Does that make sense? If that sounds like a plan, let me know down in the comments below. Also, do me a favor, make sure you help this video get at least 2,000 likes and share this with at least one person. I'm trying to help as many people for free as I can, especially in the month of September. I don't want you guys to see the month as doom and gloom. Yes, I've been in the market a long time. It typically goes down this month. Let's make a killing this month. Don't let that be the month you don't learn this skill, so then you don't participate in this skill. And listen, watch out for traps. Just because I'm teaching you guys puts doesn't mean that you just do a put because the whole month. There will be days the stock will pop, bounce off support. There will be different. They won't just let it come super easy. So that's why you have to know where resistance is at, okay, so that you know when to implement this plan. Okay, we don't buy reckless, we don't guess, and we don't gamble around here. Okay, we one of the most surgical, technical traders in the game, and it's for a reason. Okay, we the best kept secret on Wall Street, we the best kept secret on YouTube. Let's keep it that way, but let's keep running it up all to ourselves. Okay, go help somebody, go find at least 10 people and share this with them. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.